Wind advisory today, but anyway guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get more tires, so we have these. We got two more right in front, but we have a friend that owns a tire shop. They're gonna give us more tires, and we're gonna put, let me show you where we're gonna put the rest of the tires once we get it. Let's go here in front area. So we have this big one right here. We're gonna take that. That's gonna be in the bottom. The first one I showed you guys, that's gonna be on the second part, and this one right here, that's gonna be on the top. So I'm thinking of probably making it like 4 tires high, just to be safe. But we're gonna put it right over there, guys, right here in front, because right this way, when people pass by, they're very curious who lives there, what we have. So yeah, I don't like that. So we're gonna provide some privacy. So we're gonna put maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 rows of tires separated, and we'll put oleander on it, like someone suggested. Thank you for that suggestion. So if you guys have any more suggestions, let me know. But yeah, we're gonna start over there. You're probably gonna put more here on the side, right here, and maybe some more right here as well. We'll see. But yeah, that's gonna be the next project. Make sure to subscribe so you guys will see the next video. Look at the helicopter going here again. Also so we'll do a closer look and see what kind of helicopter that is. Is it private or is it law enforcement? A whirlwind just passed by earlier. Almost hit our living space. But I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm not sure that's a huge whirlwind, but that's kind of scary. We do have a wind advisory today, so I think it is. So I think I better go get inside and keep myself safe. Yeah, I think that's oh man, a really big whirlwind. Kind of like the freaking tornado. Oh my god. Hopefully you won't go this way and turn somewhere else. So but yeah, I'm staying in the vehicle, trying to make sure that I am safe. Hopefully the dogs as well, and our area here. You guys can see right there, that's a whirlwind right there, and that's big, and the wind is going this way, and man, I hope the wind changes direction. That's not gonna be good. That's humongous, that's huge. It's bigger than a whirlwind, more like a tornado. Oh man. Keep myself, well, I'm gonna keep myself safe and go somewhere and inside the vehicle. Yeah, it's blowing like crazy. Blowing all this dust. Alright guys, thank you. Make sure to subscribe press that notification bell and leave a comment, guys. And make sure you do that because you don't want to miss any new videos or any new updates. All right, guys, thank you for watching. It's Romy from Solid Gold Show.